fabulous people, welcome to Rome. Today I'm going to share with you everything there is to know about Roma Termini. Where to buy tickets, how to travel Italy by train, where to catch a taxi, bus or metro, Leonardo Express to and from the Fumicino airport, luggage deposit, important safety tips and much more. Now, before we begin, please remember to smack that like button, and if you're new to my channel and my vibe, and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe. Alright, fabulous people, now let's go explore. If you plan on traveling Italy from the Roma Termini, one of the most important things to know is how to purchase your tickets. There are three ways to purchase your train tickets. The first one is, of course, in advance online, which I strongly recommend, especially during the busy season. Number two is at the ticket office. Just be prepared for long lines. And number three, at the ticket machine. Just please make sure if you do decide to purchase your tickets from a ticket machine and you need help navigating the menu, you only consult an official representative. If someone just randomly approaches you and offers their help, most likely it's not a person who works at the train station, and as soon as they're done helping you, they will be asking for money. Once you have your tickets, you can proceed to one of the electronic timetables that are located all over the Termini station. There you will find all the info about your train, including the time, platform number, and if there are any delays. Hopefully not. And if you need a complete guide on how to travel Italy by train, you'll find that video in the description down below. One important piece of information for you to keep in mind is that sometimes you will not know your track number until the very last minute. So I recommend to keep on watching until it shows up. If you have some time before your train, I recommend going upstairs of Roma Termini, as here you will find plenty of restaurant options, restrooms, rest area, even police. If you don't have much time before your train and you just want to grab something to go, you will have plenty of food options downstairs as well. In addition, you'll find some really nice shops, a pharmacy, and public restrooms. Just make sure to have some coins on you, as the restrooms at Stazione Termini are not free, and unfortunately you cannot pay with a card. Now let's talk about public transportation in Rome, as a lot of you will be arriving to Roma Termini and then heading to your hotel or Airbnb. First, let's begin with taxis. They are located right outside of the Termini station, and of course, it's one of the most convenient ways to get to your place, especially if you have lots of luggage. One thing, please keep in mind that during a high season, there is usually a long line to get a taxi, so you might have to wait quite a bit. Just to give you guys an idea, this entire line, yep, you've guessed it, this is all a taxi line. Right next to the taxi station, you'll find a bus station. Prior to getting on the bus, you'll be able to buy a ticket as well as get the information about various bus routes from the ATAC, Rome's local bus company. Once on the bus, please don't forget to validate your ticket and keep an eye on your belongings. And of course, inside the Termini station, you'll find a metro. Just follow the signs and they will guide you towards the metro line A or metro line B. Just again, please be aware of your surroundings, especially when you enter and exit the wagon. And if you need a complete guide on how to use the Rome subway, you'll find that video in the description down below. Finally, please keep in mind that inside the Roma Termini, you'll be able to catch Leonardo Express, a direct train dedicated to shuttling passengers to and from the Fumicino airport. The service is guaranteed even in the event of a strike and only takes 32 minutes, with departures scheduled every 15 minutes. And of course, this video will not be complete without me sharing some important Rome travel tips that I know you will find useful. Number one, if you plan on doing Italy travel by train, I recommend downloading the Trenitalia app. With this app, you can easily purchase your train tickets, track any delays, and get all your train information. It's It's one of those essential apps you need for traveling in Italy.
And if you plan on traveling to Italy for the first time or just want to take all the headache out of the planning process, then I welcome you to use my travel agency for all your travel needs. Everything from custom-built itineraries and private consultations to food tours, personal shopping, sightseeing tours, and much more. Now, of course, I will make sure to leave a link for you in the description down below. All right, fabulous people, I know what you're going to ask me next. Anastasia, can we leave our bags somewhere in Termini? And the answer is yes. There is a luggage deposit inside the Termini station. Just follow the signs and it will lead you straight here. Now, I did notice quite a few places around the Termini station where you can leave your bags, but I wouldn't trust those places as much as a place in Termini. I'm not saying they're bad, but I just cannot guarantee that your luggage will be as safe with them as here at Termini. So if you don't want to take any chances, just follow the signs and it will lead you straight to this place, and then you will know that your bags are safe and sound. Number 3, please remember that Termini is not the safest area in Rome. As a matter of fact, I talk about it in my video, How Safe is Rome in 2023. So if you haven't watched that video, I will make sure to leave you a link in the description down below. But just in general, make sure that you're always aware of your surroundings and your belongings. All right, fabulous people, thank you so much for watching this Rome travel guide on the Roma Termini. Now, before you go, please remember to smack that like button. And if you're new to my channel and my vibe, and the vibe of this channel resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe. And I truly hope to see you all in my next video.